I know you clicked this video because you're tired of trying side hustles that never work, and you're done with all the guru BS. And trust me, I get it. In the last 4 years, I tried everything. Dropshipping, SMMA, crypto, and even AI agency stuff. I failed at all of it because those business models were never made for beginners at all. So I found a business model that took me to 5 figures a month without extra effort, and it's genuinely beginner-friendly. It's legit, needs zero skills, costs nothing upfront, and you don't even need to show your face. So in this video, I'm breaking it down into 4 simple steps so you know exactly how to start, plus the cheat code that lets you get started way faster. So without further ado, let's dive in. You know what is crazy? Every famous guru on the internet, no matter how different they act or what niche they are in, they all make their real money from the exact same business model. Iman makes his money from it, Tate makes his money from it, Nathan Nazareth does too. Their entire lifestyle is built on this one thing. It is selling digital products. Now I know what you might be thinking. No, bro, I have to be on camera. I need to teach. I need a big audience. But that is not true at all. A digital product does not have to be a full course or you talking on camera. It can be templates, guides, cheat sheets, Notion templates, presets, simple one-page solutions, anything that solves one problem for someone. It is way simpler than it looks. You create a simple fix to a specific problem, whether it is a PDF, a Notion template, a habit tracker, a Canva file, or anything that helps someone solve a small problem immediately. You create it one time and keep selling it again and again without extra work. And this is booming right now. Even Iman and Nathan are teaching it because it's so beginner-friendly. People are making money every day selling tiny digital products. And beginners are getting wins because it doesn't require crazy skills or a huge audience. And if you stay with me until the end, I promise you will be way ahead of everyone else because that cheat code I mentioned makes this 10 times easier. Let us move to the first step of creating a killer digital product. Step 1. Finding your niche and validating it. All right, step 1 is finding your niche, and this is where most beginners mess everything up because they either overthink it or they pick something with zero demand. But finding a niche is not complicated at all. You just need one group of people who have one annoying problem they want solved. Start simple. Fitness, money, productivity, lifestyle, self-improvement, or anything you understand even a little bit than the average person. But here's the thing. You do not pick a niche because you think it is good. You pick it because people are already complaining about a specific problem inside it. So here is how you check that instantly. First, go to Reddit and type your niche. Reddit is where people complain, honestly. If you see the same problem pop up again and again, that is a good sign. After that, go to Google Trends. Just type the niche and look for a steady or rising interest. If it is dying or flatlined, skip it. We want proof that people are still searching for this stuff. Now here's the real gem most people never talk about. There is a tool that shows you what problems are blowing up right now in real time, and it is completely free. It is called TikTok Creative Center. Just Google the name TikTok Creative Center, open it on your laptop, and thank me later. This thing shows you the exact problems, topics, and pain points people are searching for today, not last year. If you see the same problem popping up across all 3, that is your niche. Let us move into step 2 and actually create a killer digital product around it. Step 2, create your digital product. Creating a digital product today is 10 times easier than it used to be. Take the problem you validated in step 1 and zoom into one small piece of it. Just the part you can fix fast. For example, if a busy mom can't organize her day, you can create a daily time management dashboard that helps her plan routines and free up 1 to 2 hours. If a student keeps overspending, you can make a monthly money control tracker that shows them where their money leaks and helps them save an extra $150 to $300 a month. These are tiny products, but they solve real problems instantly. That's why people buy them. Now here's how you create yours fast without getting stuck for days. This is where AI becomes your best friend. Take the problem you want to solve, open Chatgpt, and tell it exactly what you want to make. For example, let's say the problem is, I don't know how to potty train my dog. You can literally type, create a beginner-friendly PDF called How to Potty Train Your Dog that shows a simple daily routine anyone can follow. Chatgpt will give you the whole structure in seconds. Then you build it inside Canva, 1 page, 2 pages, whatever fits the solution. This is how you create a real digital product fast. Step 3. This step, most people accidentally kill their chances of making a sale. Not because their product is bad, but because they confuse their buyer before the buyer even knows what the product is. Your landing page is basically your salesperson. If it's unclear, they click off. If it's boring, they scroll away. If it looks like every other page, they don't trust it. And the biggest mistake people make is trying to sell the product instead of the transformation. Now here's how you actually set up your page fast and clean. There are 2 tools I recommend. ClickFunnels, which is super easy and looks great right out of the box, and System.io, which is free and still gets the job done perfectly. Both of them have templates built in. Just pick a simple one, import it, and change the text to match your product. Start with a headline that promises the transformation, not the product. Then add a short section calling out the problem they're struggling with. Drop a few bullets showing the exact benefits they get. Add your screenshots so they can see what they're buying. And finish with a clear button that says, "Get instant access." That's all you need. Simple page, clear message, clean design, high conversions. And now that your landing page is ready to collect money, but it all falls flat if nobody ever sees it. Step 4. This is where everything you've done so far either pays off or dies, because even the best product and the cleanest landing page won't make a single dollar if the right people never see it. So let me show you the simplest traffic plan that actually works. There are only 2 ways to get traffic: organic and paid. Organic works, but it's slow. You need consistency, you need content, and you need time. If you already have an audience, sure, use it. But if you're a beginner and you want results this week instead of 3 months from now, paid traffic wins every single time. So here's what you actually do. You run a small paid ad, even $5 to $10 a day is enough, to the exact group of people who are dealing with the problem your product fixes. Ads are powerful enough to send you in front of those exact groups of people who are your potential customers. But you see that a lot of work. Doing all of this on your own takes time. Finding the problem, building the product, designing the page, setting up the systems, it's a lot. And this is exactly why earlier I told you I had a cheat code for you. There's a free masterclass happening right now where they actually teach you how this digital product business works step by step, show you examples, break everything down in simple English, and walk you through how people are launching digital products without any tech skills. And inside that masterclass, you also get access to 52 ready-to-launch digital product funnels, not just files. These are products already proven to work in real niches. And it doesn't stop there. Each product comes with a finished landing page, a full sales funnel, the email sequences, and all the marketing material already built for you. You just import the product, add your payment link, and start sending traffic. This removes all the trial and error, all the guessing, and all the overwhelm. If you want the shortcut and start way faster, the link to join the free masterclass is right below this video. Click it, join in, and you'll see exactly how to plug this system in and start immediately. Go check it out, take the first step, and I'll see you in the next video.